Time to resupply the gas. Now this Miller-Matic takes a 90-10 argon. Unlike most welders that take 75-25. These tanks get heavy when you're a senior citizen. But we do what we must. Here's where I need to go to finish my Punisher. Menards. Say hi, stranger.
Hi, stranger.
You bought a bucket?
Bought a bucket.
That looks like a food grade bucket.
It is.
For your beans.
For my beans.
we only had a tractor.
I think we do have one.
You got it?
I don't know. Let's just go a little at a time.
Yeah.
Oh, probably did. Okay, I'm zooming.
Hold on. Mission accomplished. Now, as thousands, maybe millions of you know, I made this Punisher box out of scrap metal. Now I need to weld on some hinges to it so I can open and close the lid. And I'm going to use this chain, not only to dress it up but to make it functional, along with these thingy bobs. You'll see what I have in mind here shortly. It's still February. It's what I do, okay? This is something to keep me occupied, let's just say. Okay, I got the hinges prepped. The hinge area where I'm going to put the hinges on reinforced and ready to be put on, which is awesome. Alright, I went over that twice. Was going to put 5 of them on there, but now that I look at it, I welded that up pretty good. I'm going to leave it with 3. Now I'm going to weld on the lift hooks. Right here. we got the lift hooks on. Ow. We got the hinges on, lift hooks on. Now the only thing left is the chain. Oh, I take that back. Well, I take that back. I got to put these on after I grind them out. I'm gonna weld that chain right to there, right to that base right there. Then I'm gonna weld it to the top too, after I cut it to where I want it. There. We got the chain welded in. Welded on. Alright, now I'll show you why I put these little angle brackets here. Is I cut this chain to length. I can hook them on the lift loops like that, and I can wrap it around here like that. That's why I did it, so that I can leave that chain on there. Because this thing is so heavy, if I need to move it, all I need to do is get the tractor and move it. See that? We'll just lift it up and pull it take it where we need it. And the chain will always be with it. And it will always have that coolness factor. Okay, now you would think, at least I would, this lid is so top heavy that I can barely lift it. If I just kind of swung it open, it would just tip over, right? I mean, that's what you would think, right? But see how nice it flows and everything? Let's see if it's too top heavy. Chain broke. What do you say we try that again? Let's fling it open. Let's do that again. We'll just wildly swing it open. See what happens. Huh. You would think it'd be so top heavy that it would just come crashing down. That's what I would think. But I made a wheelie bar, like a funny car. Yes, indeed, I did. It works! And I was finally able to use that piece of angle iron. know exactly where to park it against the wall. Heck yeah! I welded right through the rust and everything on that. I love it. I like it a lot. Wheelie stand works nice. Watch. You can't tip it over. Now, was this really practical? Yeah, you know, if Candy would let me, I would bring this into my house. I would put this right smack dab in the middle of my living room next to the TV. Yes, I would. Guys are like that, you know. I don't know. I'd put that other one too. I'd make this a nightstand. Right in the living room. It's practical to me. It was a lot of fun. I had a blast building both of these, practical or not. Every time I do something like this, I learn so much. In the end, I usually kind of get a little impatient. And, I mean, if I was doing this for a living, obviously, you know, you wouldn't take the kind of shortcuts that a hobbyist like me takes. But even still, you know, every project I take on, no matter how small or how large, I learn a tremendous amount more than I did previously. So it's just some great winter projects. I really enjoy doing them. And they're cool. They're just cool. I have a wheelie stop on my treasure chest. So, thanks for watching, everybody. God bless. See you on the next one.